object that you would build up a story to introduce the main story. Okay, you can have that. Okay, so again, prepare these. You have time, space, props, and then objects. Next, practice. It is very important that you practice. Because remember, students are listening to you. And if you let your students tell the story, give them time to practice. Okay, that's it. Alright? Okay, in practicing, you can use these ways to remember and retell the plot of a story. So you can map the plot, or use story skeletons to help you remember the key events. Think of the plot as a series of connected images. Tell yourself the story in your own words. Create your own version of the story and retell the story numerous times until it feels like a story. Okay? And when you practice, you might want to consider this, especially if you have younger audience. It's very nice to incorporate sounds and noises. Okay? So make your own sounds. If you're introducing animal story, you should be able to produce animal sounds. So for example, can you do it? Give me the sound of, let's say, a cow. Okay, how about chicken? Or maybe not animals, or how about like the sounds of human beings, like snoring? Okay. Or let's say an action, like movement, like walking. How would you be able to produce the sound of walking? Okay, you can use your feet, or if you're telling the story, you can tap your thighs. You know? Or if there's a thump, 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 you thump your chest. Okay, you can do that. But, what's the use of technology? We can also use technology. Okay, so you can let kids listen to sounds like this. I hope you can hear that. Okay, or other sounds like if your story would include like weather, for example. Okay, so you have that. So you use technology, and that's easy. And if you let kids or your students tell the story, they have access to technology. They can use that. Okay. Next, verbal communication. It's important that when you tell a story, you should be able to say the words clearly, correctly, pronounce the words properly. Okay. Use the appropriate language for that particular grade level. Okay. If you're going to introduce difficult words, make sure that you have unlocking first. Because if you do not do that, kids might get confused.